Hey there! Are you also one of those people who get hit by emotional damage from the atom by the 25th of every month? As soon as the salary comes, it's like the money grows wings and vanishes. But don't worry. Today I'm going to share with you 5 magical ways that have personally helped me save over 8,000 every single month. And the best part, this is not some boring financial lecture. These are full-on value-packed and fun tips. My name is Jitu, and just like you, I used to play that monthly game of where did all my money go? But these tips today can give your financial life a total twist, like something straight out of an Akshay Kumar movie. Everything is practical, tested, and the best part, you won't have to give up your chai, coffee, online shopping, or even your weekend biryani. So, let's get started. Our first and most important tip is, pay yourself first. Now you might be wondering, what kind of concept is that? It's actually super simple. The moment your salary hits your account, transfer a fixed amount or percentage straight into your savings account. Then manage your monthly expenses with the money that's left. Because the biggest mistake we all make is, spend first, and then hope to save whatever is left. And the result? The only thing we save is WhatsApp Good Morning stickers. Pro tip: set up auto-debit. If the money disappears right away, you won't be tempted to spend it. Out of sight, out of mind, but in the best way possible. Imagine saving 5,000 a month this way. That's 60,000 a year. With some interest? Boom! Jackpot. Tip number 2 is smart budgeting. I know. The word budget makes everyone sleepy. But we're not going to make it boring. We're going to make it smart. It's not about tracking every single rupee. It's about understanding where you're overspending and whether it's on needs or just wants. I've seen people spend 300 a day on Zomato or Swiggy. That's 9,000 a month. Here's my simple trick. Use apps like Expense Manager, Walrus, or even just a Google Sheet to track your spending. Try it for 1 month, you'll clearly see where you can cut back. Small cuts, big savings. And when a red flag pops up on your screen, just take a deep breath and delete. Do this for just 1 month, and your bank balance will literally thank you. The third tip is one of my personal favorites. No spend days. Choose 1 or 2 days a week when you don't spend a single rupee, unless it's an emergency or absolutely essential. No eating out, no online shopping, no fancy cafe coffee. Once you try this, you'll realize how many of your expenses are totally avoidable. It won't just save you money, it'll also help control your impulse buying habits. I tried this, and 4 of my friends ended up paying fines. End of the month? Free party for me. Try it yourself. Even your wallet will say, thank you. And hey, if you're still watching this video right now, drop a comment below saying, Paisa hai paisa. It seriously makes me smile seeing smart folks like you here. The fourth tip. Using discounts and offers the smart way. That doesn't mean diving into every sale out there. It means, if you really need something, buy it smartly. Use apps, cashback sites, credit card offers, do your research. Compare prices, check reviews, then hit buy. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, all of them have regular sales. Add items to your wish list and shop when the time is right. A little planning goes a long way. Remember, every rupee saved is equal to a rupee earned. And finally, the most philosophical tip of all, the needs versus wants game. Before spending anything, ask yourself, do I need this? Or do I just want it? Electricity bills, rent, food, those are needs. A new iPhone every year, fancy dinners every weekend, following every fashion trend. Those are wants. Fulfilling your wants isn't wrong, but if you truly want to save money, you've got to learn how to control those desires. A little adjustment, a little discipline, and you'll see your savings skyrocket. I did it too. I kept the iPhone on the want list for 4 months. And then came the Flipkart Big Billion Sale. That's when I finally bought it. Now the real question. Which one of these tips made you say, OMG, I can totally do this? The most creative 5 comments will get a free copy of my magical budget planner. Friends, I've tried all these tips myself. Just 1 year ago, I too was a full-time member of the Where Did My Money Go? gang. If you like this video, hit that like button, so YouTube knows this video was dhamakedar. Subscribe to the channel, because I drop life-changing tips every Sunday. And hit that bell icon, so your phone screams, hey, new video just dropped. And remember, saving money is not boring. It's a game. If you want to win, you've got to play smart. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Savings.